In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a control arm alignment camber kit on your Chevy Silverado 2500. This is going to be located behind the front wheels. Let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, loosen all of the lugs for the center cap. Remove the center cap. Using a 22mm socket, remove all of the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Install the jack under your control arm or your rotor. We're going to pick up a little bit of the tension. Using two 21mm for the head and the nut, we're going to hold the head of the bolt and loosen the nut. Remove the nut from the bolt. Before removing these cam adjusters, take note of where they are positioned. We are going to try and put these back to where they were when we reinstall them. Remove the cam adjuster. I'm going to take a little bit of the tension off of my jack to allow this to come forward slightly. Remove the bolt. I'm going to take some Never Sees and put it all over my new bolts. It'll keep them moving nice and keep the rust off of them. Do this on all pieces, and on the cam adjusters, only do it on the inside, not the outside. Install the new bolt into place. And use a pry bar again to just pull it forward. I'm going to use a small soft face hammer to help me install the bolt into place. Get the second adjuster installed on the back side. Install the nut. Using a 22mm wrench, we're going to pull our bolt up into place. And using a 21mm socket, we're going to snug down the nut. Get it snug, but don't tighten it down yet. Repeat the same process on the front. Remove the nut. Remove the cam plate. Remove the bolt. Install the bolt. Install the adjuster on the back side. And get that nut started. We're going to go up on our jack, putting tension onto our suspension components. We're going to go until our top control arm is about flat, or where it would be when the wheel is on and it's on the ground. Right about there. Torque the nuts and bolts to 140 foot-pounds. Do the same thing on the other one. While you're doing this, be sure you're holding those cam adjusters. Remove the jack. Install the wheel. Install all the lug nuts. Snug down all the lug nuts. Torque your lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Install the center cap. After completing this repair, you will need to bring your car to the local alignment shop for an alignment.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.